There are tomatoes down in there. It's my tomato garden. It's all grown up. My tomato babies are all grown up. There's no telling what all is in there. I see grasshoppers, crickets, little odds and ends. Ah, they grow so fast. And I see some tomatoes in there, right down in there. Anyway, whew, mosquitoes got me. I needed to come out here and kind of look at some stuff. I've got probably thousands of things to do. And every time I come out here, these little guys show up. Want to talk? Ain't that right? No? I ain't gonna talk to you. You flea-ridden kitty cat. Okay, anyway. I've been doing odds and ends out here. And I don't know if you've experienced the same thing I've experienced lately, but it's been a lot of heat, a lot of rain, a lot of humidity. The plants have all grown really, really fast. When I say plants, I don't necessarily mean the plants that I want to grow fast. I mean stuff like that right there. Way too fast. I need to crank up that lawnmower. I just don't want to. It feels good today. Actually, it feels great today. I've got things I gotta do. Cranking up the lawnmower and pushing it's one of those things. I just don't want to do it. That's the problem. Let me look over here and see what else. Oh, there's a big stick in the yard. Is that a big stick? Oh man. These are, that's poke salad. I don't know for anybody that doesn't know what poke salad is. This plant here, these things are poisonous. Don't eat them. But a lot of people will eat the young poke salad leaves, but they do harbor toxins that will make you very, very sick if you're not careful. So stay away from them. Oh man, I just noticed we got pears. Tons and tons of pears up in those trees. Man, I thought the bugs had done got them all. I know the apple tree. The apple tree here, I don't see any apples. Now, I know the bugs got the apple trees, but I just now noticed. Look up there. Can you see them? There's tons. Excellent. Nice. I guess you can tell how long it's been since I've been out here. But you can tell on the ends here, the deer have stripped off the leaves, and they will come out here and stand on their hind legs and put their heads way up in there just to get those pears. You see them? I got pears all in there. All up in there. Wow. I think I just stepped on one. Yeah. Sometimes you find them down here on the ground. Yeah, there's two of them there. You can find pears on the ground because they just tend to fall out of the tree. What you can do is you can take these things and throw them at your cat. No, actually, you can take the pear, go around and pick up all the pears. There's another one over there. Pick up all these pears. Take them in, put them in a bucket, and let them ferment and make pear wine. Or you can make pear cobbler, pear jelly. Look at that. Got them way up in there. Pears everywhere. Nice. Excellent. I don't know if my camera's even recording, but hey, it's worth a try, isn't it? But anyway, I was going to come out here, talk about something totally different, and I've ended up talking about my tomatoes that you can barely see and all the wild grass, the cat, the grass I gotta grow. I mean, not grow, the grass I gotta mow. And of course the pears. A lot of pears. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that limb that comes down right there and it's loaded up with pears, it's broken up there. So it was so heavy with pears it actually snapped and broke up there, but it's still hanging down. That's amazing. You see how the limbs are all drooping down? It's because they've been loaded down with pears. And these as well. And eventually, I'll probably want, but somebody will come in here and actually top these trees out and let these lower limbs actually do their thing with the pears. This is going to be excellent to come out here and get all these pears off of here and do something with them. But I've had projects around here I've been needing to work on that I've put off because I've been too darn busy. It's been too darn hot or too wet. Oh, there's a pear that something's been eating. Oh, get out, cat. Jeez. I don't know where all the other cats went, but we've had some just disappear. Some just up and go. Never see them again. I think a hawk comes around and hunts. I know that's sad, you know, but some of the smaller cats just disappear. And we also periodically have some big snakes come through, and the big snakes will, you know, get the cats as well. My compost pile has really shrunk. It's not really much of a compost pile anymore, is it? Okay, well, the mosquitoes on your head. This little puff. Little puff ain't so little no more. Little puff's huge now. Ain't that right, little puff? Hey, hey. Oh, not even paying attention to me. Okay. Alright. I need to get back in the house because mosquitoes are trying to eat me. And I don't like to be out here when the mosquitoes are trying to eat me. But I'm glad I came back here and noticed all these pears are doing really good. So these things, I don't know if you can tell how big this tree is, but I'm going to tilt this up so you can see. It's pretty big, isn't it? It's a big old pear tree. Two of them. Two big pear trees. I think somebody's going to be happy with that. All right, well, let me turn this camera off. I'm almost to 10 minutes now. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye. What are you doing, cat?